Hello everyone. Here I am continuing with the PGCET 2023 question solutions. So next question is Krishna went 50 meters south from his house, then turned left and went 30 meter. Then turning to north, he went 50 meter. In which direction is his home from this point? So this is the direction oriented problem. In these direction oriented problems, first we have to draw the north, south, east, west. We have to take the directions. In directions, we have to go for finding the solution. So here it is the north, and this is the south, and this is west, and this is east. So just we have to go through the statement here. Krishna went 50 meter south from his house. So here we have a south. In the direction of the south, he'll be moving from his house. Maybe here we can take the assumption Krishna's house, it will be here in this location, and he'll be moving towards the south 50 meter. So after then, turned left and went 30 meter. So here, this is right and this is left. He'll be turning left and he'll be moving 30 meters. And after that, then turning to north, he went 50 meter. So again, by turning to north, he went 50 meter. North means from this direction, from this point, he'll be turning towards the north. So north, again 50 meter movement here. And now the position of the position of Krishna is this point. So the question is, from this point, in which direction his house? That his house, it will be in this direction, that is towards the west. So the result for this question, it will be of the west here. His house, it will be in the direction of the west. In the given options, there is no west option, it is given. So all are the wrong options here. Correct answer will be west. The next question is, in a hotel, 60% had vegetarian lunch, while 30% had non-vegetarian lunch, and 15% had both types of the lunches. If 96 people were present, then how many did not eat either type of the lunch? So total, here we have a vegetarians 60%, non-vegetarians 30%, and both will be of the 15%. So here we have a plus B minus A union B. That A intersection B we have to do. That is A is a 60% plus B is a 30% minus that A intersection B. Both the side it will be of the 15%. Whatever the result we are getting, that is 100 minus that percent we have to do. And that result of 96% we have to calculate here. So here we have a V equals to 60%, that is the vegetarians, and non-vegetarians 30% here, and both will be of the 15%. That's what here we have a V plus N minus both. That is A plus B minus A intersection B. So 75% it will comes. The people who did not eat any lunch, that who is not eating any lunch is that 100% minus 75. So 75% either they are eating the veg or non-veg here. So who are not preferring both veg as well as non-veg, then it will be of the 25% here. For this 25% of 96 we have to give. We have to calculate because the people, total present people are 96 here. 25% of 96, how much it is? That will be of the neither they are of the vegetarians and nor of the non-vegetarians. That it will comes 24 here. So next question is the factorization of 4 into x plus y square minus 28x square minus y square plus 49x minus y square is. So here we have a simple, it is very simple factorization here. X plus y whole square, that what we had discussed previously, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 28x square minus 28y square. We have to expand it. Plus 49 x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy. Just we have to expand with this factorization and we have to go for the simplification. We'll get the result 25x square minus 90xy plus 81y square. So here again, this is the form of 9y minus 5x whole square. This it will comes. Means 9y into 9y, that is 81y square. And this is a square plus 5 into 5, 25x square, that is 25x square, minus 2 into 9 into 5, that is a 90xy. So this is the correct answer for given problem here. Just we have to do the factorizations and we have to go for the expansion and then we have to simplify. The next one is the solution of 2x square minus 8y square equals to 18 and 3x plus 4y equals to 7. So first we have to go for the one solution problem here, that one problem solution, that is we'll take 3x plus 4y equals to 7. In this either we'll be finding the x or y value and that we have to substitute whatever the x or y value we are getting, that we have to substitute in this equation and we have to go for the simplification here. So here we have a 3x plus 4y equals to 7. That just this term it will be considered. Either we have to consider this one or this one. This is a simple term we'll be considering here so that we can find out the x and y value easily. In this we have a here y equals to 7 minus 3x by 4 because that just will keep the y here and rest of all the terms will be transferring towards the right hand side, that it will be shifted. And by substituting this y value in the given equation, that is a first equation, that a first term of the equation, that is 2x square minus 8y square equals to 18. For this equation, we'll take the substitution here. And after by substituting and simplifying, here the result it will be coming this much. That is 36, 4x square minus 7 minus 3x whole square equals to 36. Here what we'll do, in the given equation 2x square minus 8, and what is the y value we are getting by solving this equation, that y value we have to substitute here. This is equals to 18. By simplifying the same, here we have a 2x square minus 8, 7 minus 3x whole square divided by 16 equals to 18. And this term it will be coming, and which we have to simplify by multiplying with the 2. 2 into 2, 4 it is, 4x square. And 2 into whole square we have to take. That is 2 division. That 2 will be divided with the 2. That's what 7 minus 3x whole square equals to 36. 18 into 2, that is the 36. Whole term we have to multiply with the 2. Then here we have a 4x square minus, then we have to expand here. 7 minus 3x whole square means that 7 square plus 3x square, 3 square x square minus 2 into 7 into 3 into x it is. So here 49 minus 42x plus 9x square. And by simplifying this one, we'll get 4x square minus 49 plus 42x minus 9x square equals to 36. And further by simplifying the final equation, it will be coming 5x square minus 42x plus 85. So this one, actually we are not able to minimize. We are not able to take in the standard form directly. So we have to implement the same equation values in the quadratic equation. So this problem, it will be solved with the quadratic equation here. So in quadratic equation, we have a 5 it is, b minus 42 and c 85. Just we have to consider this a, b, c value. And the equation of the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So equation of quadratic equation formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. Just we have to substitute the value of the A and B. So minus B means here it is the minus 42. Minus into minus plus it is plus 42 plus or minus B square minus 42 whole square minus 4AC. A is the 5 and C is the 85 divided by 2A. 2 into A. 5 it will comes. So that by simplifying, finally here we'll get this value 42 plus or minus square root of 64. So square root of the 64 will be 8 here. That's what here we have a 42 plus 8 and 42 minus 8. That is 50 divided by 10 and 34 divided by 10. One term x equals to 5 or it may be the 3.4 here. That x value either it is a 5 or 3.4. So we have to find the solution for both the values. For x equals to 5, we have to substitute the x value in the given equation where we are substituting in this equation. That is 3 into 5 plus 4 into y value already we got here. That y value 3 into 5. Okay. 3 into 5 plus 4y equals to 7. 15 plus 4y equals to 7. Here we are getting the y value. Y equals to minus 2. So y equals to minus 2. Then x equals to 3.4. By substituting this one, we'll get y equals to minus 3.2 divided by 4. That is the minus 0.8. So the values of y, either it is of the minus 2 or it may be of the minus 0.8. So here we have a xy value 3.4. When x value it is the 3.4, y value it is a minus 0.8. When x value it is a 5, y value it will be of the minus 2. So the result of this question is this one, C. 3.4 comma minus 0.8 and 5 comma minus 2. So it is very simple here. To look it is a bit lengthiest, but if you know the quadratic equation and all, easily you can go for the solution. First we have to solve the equation to find the y value here. Y equals to minus 3x plus 7 divided by 4 it will be coming. And that we have to substitute that x, whatever the y value we are getting here, that we have to substitute in this and we have to simplify. So after by simplifying, we'll get this equation. And this equation, we have to substitute the value of these equation, that is A, B, C, in the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is nothing but a minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So a, b, c terms we have to substitute here and we have to simplify. So x equals to 5 or 3.4. When x equals to 5, what is the y value? And when x equals to 3.4, what is the y value? Just by finding that, it will be the result of the given problem. The next one is the distance of the point 3 minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 equals to 0. So distance from a point to a line formula, it is there, inbuilt formula. Just we have to write the formula here. Distance equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. That just we are substituting the value of a, b, c. A equals to 3, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to minus 26. And these values we have to substitute here. And at the same time, x1 as well as y1 it is given. That's what here we have a 3 into 3. Ax1 means this is the a value and this is the x1 value. 3 into 3 plus in the equation b into y1. That is b minus 4 it is, y1 minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 5. Minus 26. That is the plus c. Here it is c value, it is a minus 26 divided by a square plus b square, that is the 3 square plus minus 4 square. Just by simplifying this one, we'll get the result 3 by 5. Square root of 25 is the 5 here And modulus of 3 we have to take. Even though it is a negative, it will be converted into the positive. 3 by 5 is the answer for this one. The next question is, the equation of the parabola which is symmetric about the y-axis and passes through the point 2 comma minus 3 is. So actually the objective of this question is to prove that left hand expression is equals to that of the right hand expression. So this such type of the problems we have to solve with the options. We have to go on substituting the values here. Here we have a this is x and this is the y. If I take the x value here and y value here, that 2 into 2, the 2 raised to 2, it will be of the 4. 4 into 4, 16 equals to minus 3 into minus 3, that is the 9, which is left hand 16, 9. It is not equals to left as well as right expression. Then next we have to come to this one, like that only we have to take the substitution. 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 2, 8 it is, equals to minus 3 into minus 3. That is 9. 8 is not equals to 9. Then like that only we have to go for this one. Here by substituting x square, that is 2 square, 2 into 2, that is a 4. 4 into 3, that is a 12. 12 equals to minus 4 into minus 3. Once again, it is a 12. 12 equals to 12. So this is the correct answer for the given problem here. Left hand expression is equals to right hand expression. That is 12 equals to 12. So the result of this expression will be this one. The next one is, here we have a if A union B equals to A intersection B. Then means in which situation will get this equation satisfied. That is a union B equals to A intersection B. This relation, it will be true. So here we have a, when we have A, it will be having some values 1, 2, 3 like that, and B also having the same values without any difference. If the set of A is values of the set of A equals to values of the set of B, only in that case we can say this relation, it will be satisfying. Look here. Now in the set A we have taken 3 values, B we have taken 3 values. A union B, that is 1, 2, 3. A intersection B also, it is 1, 2, 3. That's what. Only in this case it will be satisfying. A equals to complement of B means here we have a equals to complement of B. Means which of the values are not present in the B, that we have to print. And like that only complement of A equals to B means here which are not in the A we have to print. Like this here, these are not satisfying the relation. Usually here we have a union B is a set of all elements in either A or B. Means which are the common elements in the set, given set A as well as B. And which is of the universal here. A intersection B is a set of all the elements which are common, all common elements in A as well as B. Only common elements we have to take. So usually here we have A intersection B is the subset of the A union B. The proper subset, only subset it is, because equals to also sometimes we can notice. Now it is both are having the same elements means it will be equals to. So the answer for this question is A equals to B. The next one is, if cot x equals to minus 5 by 12 and x lies in the second quadrant, then the value of sin x is, once again here we have that rule. We have to follow the given rule here, that is ASTC rule. All positive, sin positive, tan positive as well as cos positive. So in this, we use right triangle to help. So since cot of x equals to adjacent divided by opposite. Here, whatever the equation it is given, cot of x equals to minus 5 by 2. This is nothing but a 5, minus 5 it is a adjacent and 12 it is the opposite here. And here we have that we have to find out the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem here? R equals to square root of a square plus b square. Here we have a square. A square is nothing but a adjacent whole square, that is a minus 5 whole square, plus b is nothing but a opposite, that 12 it is, whole square. This is equals to square root of 25 plus 144. This is equals to square root of 169. That will be of the 13. Square root of 169 equals to 13 here. And in the next step, what we'll do, we have to use the definition of the sin x. That is opposite 12 and hypotenuse, it will be 13 here. 12 divided by 13. So the result of the given problem is 12 divided by 13. So here we have a, first of all, the given formula, it will be representing adjacent divided by opposite, that adjacent minus 5, opposite 12. Since cot x is negative and in second quadrant, so here we have a tan, it will be positive, tan as well as cot. But here the cot x, it will be negative here. The cot x, it is a negative. And in the second quadrant, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, as well as fourth quadrant. So the just we have to find out the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras here, r equals to a square plus b square formula, and we'll get 13. And then we have to define sin x, that is opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is the 12 by 13. The result will be 12 by 13. The next comes binary addition. We have to go for the binary addition of these binary values. So here we have a 1 plus 1, it will be 0, and 1 is the carry here. Once again 1 plus 1, it is a 0, 1 is the carry here. 1 plus 1, it will be 0, and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 0, that it will be 1. So the result of this question, it will be of the 1, 0, 0, 0. So here, when we are adding 1 plus 1, here 0 it will comes and carry it will comes. Suppose now here also it is 1 and here also 1, and 1 is the carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. In this case, 1 it will comes and carry it will comes here. Like this, we have to go on adding. 0 and 1 it is there, means 1 it is. 0, 0, it will be of the 0. But now here we have a 1 of the carry, 1 plus 0, that it will be 1 here. So the result is 1, 0, 0, 0. So till here, so far we are solved 70 plus problems here, only related to some general knowledge and some statistics, that historical informations. All the mathematical as well as computer related problems we are solved, the solutions we have taken. So almost 2023 question paper, it is completed here. We have to start with the next other question paper solutions. I hope you are getting a clear idea about the concepts here. And if you are feel it is fruitful and useful for you, just please you have to subscribe and like the sessions. Okay, thank you for watching.